Hi, my name is Dana Johnson, and I'd like to share with you a recipe for a chopped cabbage salad that you're really going to enjoy. Okay, to start out for our chopped cabbage salad, you'll need some green cabbage and some red cabbage. I purchased some water chestnut slices, but I think they're a little bit too big to go in our salad, so I'm just going to quarter the slices down. They have a nice crunch to them and a really nice flavor. So I started out with about 2 cups of the cabbage, and I'm going to use about a 1/4 cup here of the water chestnuts. And I found these really terrific jumbo raisins, and they have the yellow and the red. I'm going to take about a 1/4 cup of ranch dressing. And I'm going to incorporate all of the ingredients. This is actually served best when it's been chilled for a while, at least for 30 minutes in your fridge. This is actually a wonderful side dish as well as a main salad for your lunch. So there it is, the chopped cabbage salad. It's going to be so tasty. For some reason I keep picturing this for some reason on a grilled chicken sandwich too. But anyway, in the meantime, if you're looking for more recipes, please go to danasfamilykitchen.com.